This past winter, with the help of some friends, I built a Screech Owl Box to mount to the tree in my front yard. I mounted the box on the trunk of the tree facing southwest so that the owls could catch the last rays of the setting sun. The owls never came, and the box sat empty for a time, but then it wasn't empty anymore. Another bird flew in and made itself at home. When I first saw what birds were living in the box, I was not impressed. It was a pair of European Starlings. If you've ever heard anything about European Starlings before, it was probably bad. The starling is pretty much despised by most birders. And with good reason. See, they're not supposed to be here. Starlings were brought to North America in 1890 by a group that loved Shakespeare. This group took about 100 starlings and released them in New York's Central Park. The idea being that all the birds featured in Shakespeare's writing should live in North America. Thanks a lot, William. So, as a result, the original 100 starlings that were released in 1890 now cover all corners of North America and number in about the 200 million range. But if you kind of put all of that aside and just look at the bird, it's still a dazzling looking bird, just trying to get by in the New World. Oh, and Cooper's hawks like them as well. Oh, and did I mention that these birds are very resilient? And I think they're here to stay in the owl box. For more videos, check out my YouTube channel at Michael Evans, Windsor, Ontario.